Alright, so another update on the car is that, well, the guy I've been taking it to, who has done a few questionable things, says that there's nothing wrong with the car as far as how well it drives. And as far as me doing work on my own about this issue, well, unfortunately, I just don't have the time to be able to take a look at this. But I mean, I've tried lots of things and been very patient with him, but it seems like there's no issue, quote unquote. But you'll see that stepping on the accelerator pedal normally, there is an issue. Here we go. And of course it doesn't do it. But we'll keep on trying here. You can kind of feel it every so often, and it kicks in, oh, I want to say sometimes 10, sometimes 20, but this is from a stop. See? Yeah. Oh, and the steering wheel's crooked too. Yeah. But you saw how it hesitated there. See if we can try this again. Right from a stop. See? It hesitates, then it picks back up again. Doesn't matter whether it's from a dead stop, rolling start, trying to pass somebody, it does it. And it also seems to die out. Yeah, literally stall when you take a turn and then try to recover out of it. So, carburetor on here is not the right one as far as the part number for the year. So we'll see what happens. Maybe try to get a different carburetor on here and get that one rebuilt, because I've tried to rebuild this one and it seems like the issue is still there no matter what I do.